Hello all, welcome to usva.com automation tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how you can resolve java.long illegal state exception. The driver is not executable issue. So if you are trying to execute your script on Mac Chrome browser, on your Mac machine, on your Chrome browser, then the very first time you will receive this error. This is because your whatever the Chrome driver you are using, it is not the executable file. So in Mac, right, if you are trying to if you wanted to execute your scripts on Chrome browser, then the Chrome driver file should be an executable file. Then only it will invoke the browser and it will execute whatever code we have written. So I'm going to show how we can fix this issue in Mac machine. So first you have to do um, you have to open terminal. Yeah, so terminal, there is a command chmod plus x. This command will make your file, whatever file, as an executable file. So now you have to mention the path, Chrome driver path. So here I kept my Chrome drivers. So this is now, right now it is not an executable file. So if you check the info of this file, it is not a executable file. uh, yeah, it's not executable file. Yeah, it's kind of, it is showing as text edit document, so it should be executable file. So we are going to make it as an executable file. So you just need to drag and drop, or you just need to mention the Chrome driver path here. So and then hit enter. As soon as I hit enter, you can see the file, Chrome driver file, it became executable file. Now if you go to get info, and you can see kind is Unix executable, so means the file is ready for Selenium execution. So let me show you. But yeah, when I executed this code previously, I got this error. Let me try to execute it one more time. Yeah, it worked fine. So thanks for watching. Subscribe.